Today, I will teach you about the verb to be and positive form. What do you think? Is it difficult? Don't worry, it's always difficult at the beginning. And there will be conversation too, which is help you learn more. Shall I start the video? So, I am going to start the video. Let's look at that. The screen. The verb to be. Positive form. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. You are. They are. Now, when we speak in English, we contract the form like this. I am becomes I'm. You are. Becomes you're. He is. Becomes he's. She is. Becomes she's. It is. Becomes it's. We are. Becomes we're. You are. Becomes you're. They are. Becomes they're. Let's learn with the sentences. I'm your sister. You're my brother. He's good looking. She's a teacher. We're a team. You're interested. They're very good. Other example, I'm Lizzie. I'm from Cambridge. You're a nurse. You're American. He's from England. She's really beautiful. It's an American computer. It's an Italian mask. It's really beautiful. Italy's wonderful. We're classmates. We're flatmates. You're a student. They're friendly. Now, I will move on the conversation. Watch it carefully and try to remember it.
Hello.
Hello. My name is Jessica. Nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure. So, this is the house?
Yeah.
It's really beautiful.
Yes, it is.
Where are you from?
I'm from Oxford. And you are American, is that right?
Yes, but my family is from Italy.
Oh. Italy is wonderful. My brother is in Italy at the moment.
Where?
She is in Rome. She is really happy. Italians are very friendly. Oh. Hey. That's Lizzie. She is also part of the family.
Oh, it's nice to meet you, Lizzie.
So, this is Scott, the new flatmate. Nice to meet you, Scott.
I came from America.
I am from New York.
Okay. Can I put my things in the bedroom?
Let me help you.
And I really like this house.
I'm glad you like it.